Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start with the essentials. Open Capcut and load your video so audio syncs correctly. Import your audio file now, music, recorded voice, or an effect, because matching sources reduces drift later. Once imported, drop the clip onto the timeline beneath your video. Make sure to switch on waveform display for visual alignment and confirm the sample rate matches your source. This avoids timing shifts and keeps edits precise. You now align and refine. Drag the audio to the correct start point and use waveform peaks to match dialogue or beats. Once in place, split and trim unwanted sections. Nudge clips by frames to achieve perfect sync. Then, balance levels, reduce background music volume, boost vocal presence with equalizer or gain, and apply short fades to prevent pops. Doing these steps controls clarity and prevents masking, which keeps viewers focused on the intended sound. You finish by previewing the whole timeline from start to finish, checking transitions and level consistency. Export using AAC or WAV and pick a bitrate appropriate for your content. Higher bitrates preserve dynamics for music. Once exported, test the file on a different device. If you encounter audio drift or sync issues, make sure the sample rates match between video and audio. If not, re-import a resampled audio file.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.